Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by equipping a diamond pickaxe and at least basic armor. This protects you while searching. Once in the Nether, move directly to Y levels 822 and clear long horizontal tunnels to expose ancient debris. Make sure to place beds or TNT for controlled blasts to speed discovery, but use caution. Beds explode in the Nether. Bring 4+ gold ingots so you can immediately process found debris into progress toward Netherite. Once you've exposed ancient debris, mine it with your diamond pickaxe and immediately smelt it into Netherite scrap. 1 debris yields 1 scrap. Combine 4 scraps with 4 gold ingots in a crafting grid to create 1 Netherite ingot. That's the core upgrade material. Make sure to process scrap as you go so you know how many ingots you'll afford. While mining, clear lava pockets and funnel explosions to avoid losing debris, and keep inventory space open for scrap and gold. You finish by upgrading your diamond gear at a smithing table. Place the diamond item and 1 Netherite ingot to convert it into Netherite while keeping enchantments. Once upgraded, repair with an anvil as needed using spare Netherite or by combining partially used items. This conserves valuable ingots. If you accidentally lose an ingot to lava, don't panic. Return ASAP, expand the tunnel area around the lost coordinates, and next run, use a fire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.